This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Bouton. Sanibel style turnkey condo. Panoramic lakefront view 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bath condo, great room floor plan with formal dining and eat-in kitchen. Lanai has acrylic sliders allow for additional living space as well as afternoon breezes. Floor plan provides privacy with large guest bedroom, and French doors on the den provide for additional space for guests. Beautiful community pool area for your relaxation. Attached garage makes it easy for bringing in groceries. Gulf Harbour is near many restaurants, shopping, and beaches. Short drive to the airport, Twins and Amp, Red Sox stadium.Must see, won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Bouton at 239-229-7571.